Can you believe it? This dynamic swimming in front of you did not use any tools. It took 30 days to build by hand. February 30th, the brothers found it in the picnic room. This place where birds don't shit. Dig it up without hesitation, as expected of a mother. Their movements are surprisingly consistent. To finish as soon as possible. The two of them refused to stop for a moment. From day to night, and from night to day. After digging out the foundation to a depth of 2 meters, and they got some free lumber. Then the two men began to drill holes in the foundation. How deep is the hole? How secure is the house? Reinsert the top pillar. They cook it in clay. The next step is naturally to build the framework. The two are skilled. Although there are no blueprints, but I already know how to build it. I have too. These guys are awesome. If you think they are great too, you might as well like and support them. To have a place to sleep at night. Of course, the bed should be arranged when it's done. The brothers brought bamboo pieces and started laying on the frame, piece by piece, uniform. It's the same operation inside the house. The next step is to play with the mud and add licorice to the clay. Stir, and then use their little hands to wipe their buttocks. Apply evenly to the frame and polish every part of it. Smooth and shiny, especially the bed. Can't have the slightest horse. As for the steps in front of the door, they did the same with bamboo. The same is true of the floor in the room. The walls were covered with bamboo, mainly one bamboo slice and more. Finally, the bed put on some high atmospheric and high-grade patterns. Even if the house is completed, in order to have a place to take a shower, the two men dug up warriors in front of the door. They are very fast. Dig another 2 meters deep with no effort. To give the pool, add some supporting facilities. Little brother dug up on the wall. The big brother comes to the ground and digs from above. In this way, cooperate internally and externally connected. Big brother doesn't forget how silky the world slide is. After cleaning up the excess soil, little brother dug a cistern above. The big brother built a staircase for easy access. Then the brothers took over the ant's house and moved back. Knock it to pieces. A few more barrels of volley points. You get wild water. In the wild, you see rocks everywhere. The two of them picked some signs and brought them back, abandoned around the pool for decoration. The remaining cement was smeared on the slide and inside the swimming pool, so you don't have to worry about leaking pools anymore. Naturally, the type of the reservoir cannot be forgotten. To make the pool more beautiful, the brothers use ancestral recipes, made some blue paint, and they start down the slide, paint the entire pool. Finally, it is watered. The brothers made pipes out of bamboo, pick up water from a creek, and then it comes back into the pool. Waiting for the water to fill up, the two dug turf and spread it around. 2 leisure pond chairs were built in front of the house. Sleep on a word comfortable. The brothers were also hungry. Build a fire and roast chicken. Eat and drink. They brought the water tank and put it above the slide. Just fill it with water. Then you don't have to worry anymore. The slide ripped through their pants. So far, the entire project has been completed. How about old iron? Do you like this kind of villa? Do you want to come and live together?